Hey developers, if you have preparing for interviews, listen carefully. This is the one question you will definitely face. What is authentication and what are the types of authentication in .NET? So let's break it down clearly and confidently. What is authentication? Authentication is the process of verifying who the user is. It checks the identity of a user based on their credentials, usually a username and password. When user enters their credentials, the system verifies them against the database or any storage system. If credentials are correct, then that user is authenticated user. Types of authentication in ASP.NET. So the first authentication is form authentication. Form authentication is the most commonly used authentication method in web application. It is mainly based on cookies, where user authentication data is stored in the browser. In some cases, it can also work without cookies using query strings. But cookies are the standard approach. Passport authentication. Passport authentication is a centralized authentication service provided by Microsoft. It is based on the concept of single sign-on, which is SSO, meaning one login for multiple applications. User visit a website. If already logged in, then he will get direct access. If not, redirected to the Microsoft login service. After successful login, a token will generate and this token sent back to the application. User get that authenticated token and then user can interact with our application. Windows authentication. Windows authentication is mainly used in intranet application where users already have Windows accounts. In this method, authentication is handled by IIS, which is Internet Information Services, not by your application code. Custom authentication. When default authentication methods are not enough, we use custom authentication. This gives full control over how authentication is handled. Multipass, which is also known as single sign-on. Multipass is used when you have multiple applications or websites. One login for multiple platforms. SAML, Security Assertion Markup Language. SAML is a XML based authentication framework used in enterprise level application. Its main purpose is to enable single sign-on across different domains. So we have three components in SAML. First is assertion, which is user identity and roles. Second is protocol and third is binding. It works on three protocols like HTTP, SMTP and FTP. JWT, JSON Web Token. JWT is one of the most widely used modern application technique. It stores user information as a claim inside a JSON object. Hope this make it clear. If you like such content, please do subscribe, like and share.